when former College of DuPage board chairwoman Kathy Hamilton ordered the school to hire her political strategist as a special assistant to the president. She and the strategist repeatedly described him as a volunteer and promised he would donate his salary to charity. But here's what they didn't disclose: he was getting money all along. Newly filed court documents show Hamilton was secretly paying the college tuition of strategist Christopher Robling's son while Robling was employed at the state's largest community college, payment that experts say may run counter to the state's ethics and election laws. The private payment became public as part of Hamilton's divorce case in DuPage County, where she and her estranged husband, John, have been battling over a $45 million estate for more than a year, according to court records. The divorce case explains Hamilton's departure from the college's board of trustees for personal reasons just months after she became its chairwoman, and it also contains allegations she used marital assets to, among other things, help pay for Robling's son to attend Georgetown University in Washington, D.C. The exact amount wasn't included in the court documents, but sources say she paid Georgetown about $20,000 between June 2015 and November 2015. During that 6-month period, Robling served as special assistant to then college president Joseph Collins, earning and then donating roughly the same amount that Hamilton paid to Georgetown. Robling, who owns a strategic communications firm and serves as a political commentator on local television and radio, acknowledged the money paid to Georgetown during a recent deposition. "I am an alum of Georgetown and he happens to attend Georgetown and I'm very proud of that," Robling said in the deposition. In portions of the deposition filed as part of the divorce case, Robling declined to say whether he paid taxes on the tuition paid to Georgetown or whether it was considered a gift. Though John Hamilton refers to Robling as his wife's paramour in court filings, Robling declined to answer questions about his personal relationship with Kathy Hamilton during his deposition. Attorney Aldo Botti, who represents both Kathy Hamilton and Robling in the divorce proceedings, says the allegation is false and meant to embarrass Kathy Hamilton. Both Hamilton and Robling declined interview requests through Botti. "She's a woman of integrity who's going through a very difficult divorce and who is seeking her fair share of the marital estate," Botti said. "She's been through a lot." One day after the Tribune asked Botti about Hamilton's tuition arrangement with Robling, Hamilton petitioned the court to seal her divorce file. DuPage County Judge Neil Cern refused the request, siding with the Tribune after it intervened and asked that the case remain open for public viewing. The divorce proceeding is scheduled to go to trial Wednesday. Before Robling worked for COD, Hamilton personally paid him $2,500 a month between August 2014 and June 2015 for crisis management and to protect her political image, according to Robling's deposition. Hamilton wasn't up for election at the time, but she hand-picked and financially backed a 3-member slate that ensured she would gain control of the board and become its chairwoman.